Good morning, ma'am. I'm your student nurse for today, Denise Lerman from Our Lady of Fatima University. So, may I know what your name, ma'am?
Micaela Peñaranda,
Your birthday po?
October 14, 2006.
Okay, let me just see your wristband, ma'am, for confirmation lang po. Okay, so for today, ma'am, what I'm going to do is, we're going to do a wet bath to ensure na malinis po lahat, no? So, malinis yung environment and also malinis po yung body natin. So, are you okay naman po, ma'am?
Yes.
Wala naman pong ibang nararamdaman?
Wala na.
Okay. Wala? So, sa pagbe-bed bath po, ma'am, since it's called bed bath po, so nasa kama lang po kayo, no? So, ang gagawin ko pong procedure is, meron po akong tatlong towel and pupunasan na po natin yung body niyo from head to toe. So, in order for me to do, or to assess you sa pag-bed bath po is, I'm going to touch your body po, ma'am. So, is it okay po?
Yes.
Okay. So, nag-gather naman na po natin yung equipment. Ito naman na yung equipment natin. Nasuot ko na po yung gloves. We have 2 trays here. We have 3 towels. We have shampoo, distilled water, mineral water. We have cups naman po here. And yung tray for shampooing. And then, okay na po, it's all set. So, first thing that I'm going to do now is, I'm going to put towel po sa ibabaw niyo. This is to provide privacy, maliban po sa privacy natin na pag-close na ng door. Okay naman po tayo naman. Comfortable naman. Okay, so then tatanggalin po natin yung bed linens. And i-change po natin yan maya-maya. So, tanggalin lang natin. Hindi naman po, malamig po ba masyado sa inyo yung aircon?
Okay lang.
Okay lang po, hindi naman po nilalamig.
Hindi naman.
Okay po. So, first thing first is, I'm going to grab a cloth. And this is in part of the cloth, ma'am. Lahat po is clean. So, I'm going to wipe your eyes po. No? Pikit lang po, ma'am. Okay. Okay, very good, ma'am. Then next, I'm going to clean your head, face, and neck using soap with water. Okay. Okay, so once I'm done, I'm going to clean it with warm water naman po. Okay naman po, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, then I'm going to pat it dry po. So, same procedure lang po yung gagawin natin sa arms nyo, sa kilikili nyo, and sa legs nyo po, pati sa paa. Pat it dry. Kabila po. Hindi naman po nilalamig.
Hindi na.
Okay naman po. Po. Pat it dry. So, next naman po is sa lower extremities, no? Okay naman po naman.
Yes.
Okay, so once I'm done peeling na po, now let's going to do the shampooing naman po, ma'am. So sa shampooing po, nililisin lang po natin yung scalp niyo, yung hair niyo. Para po ma-make sure na wala pong germs or other microorganisms na pumasok po, ma'am. So, okay po. So, we're going to adjust po yung bed natin. But since we don't have a hospital bed, we're going to provide po. So, can you sit comfortably, ma'am? Lalo lang po. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Okay po. Oops. Pwede po kayong magkakita. Comfortable naman po, ma'am?
Yes.
So, assume that we have a tray para sa pagsalo ng tubig na ibubuhos sa buhok ng patient or ipampilis sa ulo ng patient. So, what we have here, ito yung masisilbing tabo natin para sa pagligo sa patient. So, I have a shampoo right here. So, while ginagawa natin yung shampooing, is iiwasan natin na iiwasan natin na malagyan ng sabon yung ulo ay yung mata ng patient. So, before that, lagay tayo ng towel sa chest ng patient. Okay naman, ma'am, no? So, okay. So, before tayo mag-proceed sa pag-shampoo ng patients, is we're going to check if may lesions ba or may lice yung scalp or hair ng patients. Okay. So, I can see that there's no lesions and lice sa ulo or hair ng patient. So, now we can proceed sa pag-shampooing. Okay. So, while shampooing, you can also massage the scalp of the patient. So, nakakatulong to para ma-relax din yung patient. Close lang po yung eyes, ma'am. Okay naman po ba? Okay. So, once that we're done shampooing the patient's hair, we're going to dry it. So, we're going to dry it. We can use a towel or if gusto natin mapabilis, we can use a dryer. But since we don't have a dryer, we can use a towel. Be gentle always sa patient. Okay. Since tapos na ang shampooing sa patient, pwede natin i-brush yung hair niya. So, assume that we already brushed the patient's hair. Okay, ma'am. Tanggalin lang po. Pwede lang po tayo magbuko. Since the patient is conscious, we can ask her if she or he can brush her own teeth. So, ma'am, are you able to brush your own teeth po? So, unang po tayo, ma'am. Okay naman po kayo?
Yes.
So, I'm going to give a toothbrush to the patient and a toothpaste. So, after nalagyan ko na ng toothpaste, I'll give it to the patient. You can brush your teeth, ma'am. Once the patient's done, so, pwede tayo Nagbibigay tayo sa patient ng water and pwede niya itong spit. So, now we're done bed bathing, shampooing, and oral care sa patient. Next thing that we're going to do is we're going to back massage the patient. So, ma'am, do you want to lay down? What? Okay. So, sorry ma'am, i-ano lang po natin. So, since we don't have, as I said kanina, since we don't have a hospital bed, so assume that i-lower ko yung bed ng patient. So, for alternative na, okay, lay down po tayo na, dapa po tayo. So, now let's massage the patient's back. So, be gentle, no pressure at all. Okay naman po, ma'am. Hindi naman po masakit. Wala naman po masakit. So now, we can lay down ni ma'am. Hindi po tayo humigay ng maayos. So now we're done doing all the assessment to the patient. We can now, itataas na natin yung side rails since iiwan natin yung patient. And itap po yung gloves or remove the gloves. Clean the equipment that we use. And pwede na yun i-document. The document is the date, the time, and kung ano yung assessment na ginawa natin sa patient and kung ano yung naging reaction ng patient doon. So, okay. Now, we're done doing the assessment.